So guys, a lot of people ask one question. In a blogger website, how we can adding for WhatsApp chat option? In the WhatsApp chat option, I'm showing for with the coding and without coding also. With the coding will be here. Don't write any kind of code. Every coding will be zero. Get button.io. So to activate in WordPress live chat option, this is the one of the future we can use in for particular parameter. Get button.io. Just enter the phone number, select your position where you can need the position will be here. So when enter the particular phone number, auto icon will be displayed by here. So what icon will be here in this. If you need multiple, the icon will be change your option here. So just we can adding only WhatsApp purpose. Just add your phone number, select your position, add your live chat button option. But suppose we have to don't use any kind of coding. So I'm not using any third-party websites. Simple we can use option will be here. First of all, WhatsApp chat image you have to download by in this future will be WhatsApp chat image that is called icon. That is name is called icon. Go to image. We have to selecting will be here in this chat with the on WhatsApp. Just save will be here the particular option. Okay. After this one, go to this option where you can add your WhatsApp chat. I'm adding for right side corner and the particular option where you can go for layout. The option will be here. Before that, you have writing for one URL will be there. https wa.me. Don't forget this option. 91. What is the number you have to use? Only we can use in for 10 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 10. Just copy here. After that, code don't forget 91 up to your common. This is a code wa.me / your number and here. When you enter this number, they go to your chat option. This is only for dummy one. I'm using for dummy phone number. Now here, go to this option, add a gadget. In this add a gadget option, we have show option name is called image. Select image will be here. In this particular add the URL, click for choose image where our image will be stored. This we can particular image will be shown here. That option will be show this option. So show in folder, the showing for download this future. Download icon, string to fit and click for save and click for here. In this, don't forget here, writing for title, WhatsApp chat, click for save and save arrangement. Anybody come into your blogger website, refresh here, selecting this option, now click. They go to chat option will be here. This is called, we can activate for live chat option in the particular blogger. In this, every URL we can use in this option will be here. Image and the particular option will be there. So this is called to activate live chat option. Simple, up to 91 will be common code. Just we can add by your phone number. Just email will be add your option, then activate by live chat on the particular blogger website. This will be useful without knowledge of zero coding to activate live chat button on a particular blogger website. So we can use this option, everything. And anytime we can remove this option, we can remove this future also. No worry about that. This future will be how we can remove this future. So after remove this, the future not available on the particular blogger website. And guys, what are the doubts will be there? Go to my channel, Digital Rakesh. You can ask me any further questions or anything required. You can ask me. I definitely will be clarify in the particular videos. Please follow instruction my videos. So how we can every option will be there. I'll definitely will be support in the particular option will be given. So use this parameter to activate live chat for Blogger also. If you need WordPress and PHP website, the all videos will be there. We have to check and activate by the particular option. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe our videos on the particular channel.